Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete all reposted TikTok videos all at once. For example, if you have many numbers of TikTok reposted videos and if you want to delete from your account, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply open the TikTok app, and after that you have to open the TikTok reposted videos, and here you can simply click on the videos, and if you see any kind of option available to delete, then there is no option available. So if you want to delete, then you have to simply go to settings and privacy, and after that you have to simply search for the account. The only option is that you can simply delete your account, and after that your all of your data will be deleted. But if you want to delete only the reposted videos, then there is no option available. So for this you have to simply click on that option. Here you can simply click on that, and if you see there is no option available. So if you want to delete that reposted video, the only option is that you can simply delete your account permanently, and after that all of your reposted videos will be deleted. But if you want to delete one by one, there is no option available. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.